To another Infrascale training video. Today we're going to go through a basic how to use the Infrascale monitoring system. So we're going to answer a few questions today. What is the monitoring system and how does it work? How does the monitoring system report issues and what kinds of things are going to come up? And how can I automate ticket creation into my support ticketing system? So to get started, I'll open up our dashboard. Here I'm logged in as a distributor, and then you have the monitoring section here at the top. Here at the home page, we have a basic summary of the errors, the warnings, and the things that are good. So if you come to monitoring and you select show all events, this will show you every backup deployment in its current state that you have across all of your partners or your customers, depending on where you come in. So you'll see the account name, the business it belongs to, the system name that we are referring to, the backup type or the type of report that we are generating here, as well as the job name when applicable, and you get some more information as far as last date, and you can see a bit more information about what happened during that backup. What you can also do here is from manage, you can configure the backup job. So if you think maybe the backup job is at fault, then you can reconfigure that. If there's an issue, we could download the logs directly from the machine. That way you don't have to contact the customer to get that information. Or you could remove the monitoring event altogether. A classic move for whenever there's an issue with the backup is just to run a backup again, so you can do that and see if the issue repeats, and then you'd probably pursue with logs and then our support team. So this is good for being able to view if you check this every day, but we do have an easier way to report what's going on to you directly so that you're notified every time there is something that you or your staff should pay attention to. So by default, all accounts that are created will be set up for monitoring, and then we have a number of reports that you can subscribe to. In this case, we're talking more about alerting for warnings and alerts. So you can put in an email address here, and this can be done at a partner or at a customer level. And anytime there's an issue, whether it's an account over quota, an issue with a backup, or the lack of a backup, then an email will be generated in real time to this email address. Which leads us into our next question: how can I automate ticket creation in my support system? Well, most all support ticketing systems have an email address that will automatically generate a support ticket anytime an email is sent to it. This is common in Zendesk, ConnectWise, GFI. All the major PSAs and support ticketing systems have this type of function. So you can do that. The emails that you get include the basic information that we saw on the previous page as far as the company name, the issue, the backup type, the account name, and machine name. So you can modify your user flows to account for that information to make it more effective through your system. A more advanced option is to use this outbound API URL. So what this means is instead of actually using our monitoring API and doing an integration that way, you just tell us where you want us to post all of the monitoring event information, and then you and your staff can, on a more advanced level, integrate this in with your support workflows. So we have a couple of options here to make the management of issues that occurred during your backups for all of your customers or all of your endpoints or users very easy and automated. This way you don't have to go searching for it. The system tells you when you need to pay attention. And that's the overview for the monitoring system. For more information or for help, you can click help here and contact support. We have chat 24/7 and an active phone line. Thanks and have a good one.